I'm Don Magruder from Romac Building Supply, and for the last 6 years, I have participated with the Leesburg High School Construction Academy Advisory Committee. It's been a great experience for me and many others in the construction industry, and this year we'd like to encourage you to participate. We have over 250 students in this year's program, from beginners to fourth-year students, and we need mentors, we need help in getting projects off the ground. So if you're in the construction industry, any part of it, or someone outside the construction industry who think you can contribute, we'd love to have you participate. We've already had our first advisory meeting for the year, and we're going to have our next one on September 24th. If you would like to participate with the Leesburg High School Construction Advisory Committee, we'd like you to please contact Carrie Sudman and let her know you'd like to be added to our email list. We've got a lot of projects this year. We're going to build a habitat house, going to do community projects, plus we have in-classroom projects that we need mentorships on. So HBA members, people in the realty industry, or folks who think they can help with designs, we could sure use your help. Thank you for your consideration, and we hope you join our Leesburg High School Construction Advisory Committee.
From foundation to rooftop, Romac's got you covered.